Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of my new iPhone 16 Pro Max, which I bought it online. I actually got it cheaper than usual because, as you probably know, the iPhone 17 will be come out soon. I know it's a bit late to unbox this phone because but I still wanted to share it with you guys, especially the color. And also, to be honest, I have to say this, I don't really know much about the iPhone specification. I'm not going to talk about technical stuff in this video. This video is just me sharing my personal experience with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's see. To be honest, this is only my second time using an iPhone. Before this, I was using the iPhone 15 Pro, which is smaller. The phone was nice and very convenient to carry, but after some time, I felt like I needed a bigger screen. Sometimes, when I'm watching videos or reading, the small size feel a bit uncomfortable for me. So I wanted a bigger screen, and when I saw there was a discount, I thought, okay, this is a perfect time. That's why I bought it now. See, it's a white color. It's beautiful and elegant. I never seen this white color in person before, not even at the shop. I noticed the trendy color right now is desert titanium, which is kind of a cool tone. Most of my friends have a desert titanium and it's definitely popular, but even though it's beautiful, I decided to go with the white color. As usual, inside the box you will find the charger and the manual book. I think I made a good choice. It's really stunning and elegant. Honestly, I never seen this color like this before, and I really like it a lot. Right now, I am still moving all my apps and contacts to this new phone, but before I can finish, I need to update to the latest iOS version. This is my old iPhone 15 Pro, so you can see the differences between these two phones. The size is different and you can also see the color difference, but on my old phone the color might not be so obvious because of the case I'm using. Sorry about that. You can see it on my face. I'm really happy with this phone. So yeah, that is for my iPhone 16 Pro Max unboxing and first impressions. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.